Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Mini Splits Air Conditioner? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 Best Mini Splits Air Conditioner on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. MRCOOL DIY 24 BTU Ductless Heat Pump Split System. This model's smart technology and easy installation make it an ideal addition to a smart home. This ductless air conditioner includes a Wi-Fi smart kit that allows the user to control the system from any location via a smart device or a virtual assistant such as Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. This functionality enables the user to control the system from virtually anywhere, making it convenient for setting the temperature to warm or cool a space so it's ready for use upon arrival. In addition to being controllable via smart technology, this system is also easier to install. While many ductless air conditioners require professional installation, this model can be installed without any specialty tools or training, making this an ideal option for those who want to save on installation costs. With its 24,000 BTU output, this model can heat or cool a space up to 1,000 square feet. Number 2. Single-Zone Ductless Air Conditioner. A single-zone ductless system is great for a single room or small area that needs some temperature control. It's a better option than a large system that would take more effort to install and maintain. With a SEER rating of 25, this quiet and compact mini split is a beautiful cooling and heating beast that can handle room up to 800 square feet. The LG MRCOOL Premier has a 24-hour timer in sleep mode to keep the room cool or hot as you need it and not waste energy. The LG 4-way swing disperses air quickly in a wide area rather than straight down or in one central area, as other single-zone mini-split models do. The remote is easy to use and has a clear display to operate the unit within the room. LG built an advanced dehumidifier into its mini-split that can take out 3.2 pints per hour in a small, humid room when in the AC mode. The extended piping up to 164 feet compared to around 50 for most other systems lets you install the indoor unit higher and farther away from the outdoor unit, which is ideal for smaller spaces. Number 3. Best Multiple Zone Ductless Mini Split. A multi-zone system can offer remote control heating and cooling throughout the entire home, with only one outdoor unit that can generally handle up to 8 indoor units. The Symbol or series lets you control the temperature of each room or area with individual thermostats. It has 4 indoor air handlers with 4 installation kits to connect each unit, different rooms to the 36,000 BTU outdoor unit. Each air handler has a dehumidifier, timer, ionizing air filter in turbo mode. The unit has the latest Follow Me feature that lets the remote act as the thermostat. When you activate the Follow Me mode via the remote, air is aimed directly to wherever the remote is in the room. Number 4. Easiest DIY installation for ductless air conditioner. While many mini splits tout the DIY angle for installing, it's not always easy to mount these 60+ pound units and charge the refrigeration line. So the designers at Cooper & Hunter made it as simple as possible for the average dyer to install their ductless air conditioner on the wall. The Cooper & Hunter Sophia offers a modest 21.5 SEER rating on the 12,000 BTU 115-volt model and a 25 SEER on the 9,000 BTU unit. Same price, 115-volt model. The DIY installation kit includes a 16-foot pre-flared and insulated copper line set, communication wires, a Wi-Fi smart kit adapter, and the indoor and outdoor units. The manual walks you through the simple connection instructions after you drill a hole in the wall for the wires and tubing. I was amazed at the quality of this unit, writes one Amazon reviewer. Super easy installation and great instructions. Number 5. SereneLife SLPAC Portable Air Conditioner. For users who have multiple rooms in the home that require cooling only when in use, this portable AC unit might be a better option than one installed in a specific room. This 12,000 BTU unit from SereneLife produces enough cold air to cool a 450 square foot space, making it ideal for bedrooms, bonus rooms, or a garage. It has 3 operating modes, including cooling, dehumidifier, and fan, and has louvers that automatically move to oscillate air back and forth. A convenient remote control allows the user to set the temperature, program the automatic shutoff timer, and adjust fan speed settings. At 17 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 32 inches tall, this air conditioner takes up a small footprint, and its casters allow the user to maneuver it from room to room. It operates at a tolerable noise level of 56 decibels,